At Endurance, we designed our plans to make protecting your vehicle simple and affordable. Here's how it works. Once you've selected the plan that's right for you, there's a short waiting period before coverage becomes active. This helps ensure coverage begins right after your vehicle is confirmed to be in working condition. During this time, you can review your contract, explore your benefits, and sign up for the Endurance customer portal to manage your account anytime on any device. Once the 30-day waiting period ends, your coverage is active and ready when you need it. Just keep up with your vehicle's recommended maintenance and save your service records in case you ever need to file a claim. If a breakdown happens, bring your vehicle to a licensed repair shop and present your Endurance contract. Need help finding a shop? Use our VIP repair network at endurancewarranty.com/repair or log into the Endurance customer portal for quick access. If you need a tow, 24/7 roadside assistance is included with every Endurance plan. Your mechanic will diagnose the issue and contact us to submit the claim and obtain authorization for covered repairs. Once the claim is approved, we handle the paperwork and pay the repair shop directly. You're only responsible for your deductible and any non-covered repairs you authorize. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on Endurance.